What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Monet, or you can call me Day Desiree, whichever you prefer. And today I'm basically going to do a video of me doing my very first lace frontal on myself. So if you think that this is a tutorial, this is not the video for you, okay? I've never even had tracks, okay? So basically, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna wing it. Let's get right into it. First unit I bought is this one. Got a little thingy thing on it. Got a little doggy. Here, let's open the rip. Open the rip, Chuck. Okay, so we got a cap. Goofy. Anyways, got a wig cap. I'm gonna need that. Got some lashes over here. Lashes in the house. And lastly, what's in here is she wiggy wig. There we go. So this is what the unit looks like. It's 14 inches. Brazilian for the millions. No, I'm joking. This ain't no Brazilian. Comes like this. I like that. It's nice. This don't funky. Finally finished washing and blow dried the unit, and I'm thinking she's looking really good. Like, look at these curls still, y'all. Like, come on now. Like, this body is just like still here, which is great, and it really didn't shed much at all. So to get started, I'm just going to take some of my BB foam wrap and I'm going to put that all on my head and my scalp and just try to get it as flat as possible. And I'm going to pull my hair back into a low ponytail. Darker wig cap. So I don't need a darker wig cap. I just don't know what I'm talking about, and we're going to see a lot of that. And so basically I'm just going to try and stuff my locks up into my wig cap as much as possible. Just jam them bad boys in there, you know. And ideally I probably would have wet my locks and then braided them and then sewn them down so that it'll be more flat, but just for the sake of this video, I just felt like my twist would do. And pat that thing in there, girl. Get them things down nice and flat. Don't want to have Miss Potato Head out here. Got my wig smelling all nice and good now.
Oh my God!
This is clearly not the color wig cap for me, obviously, which is probably not a good decision, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So clearly I have no idea what I'm doing here because this is so wrong. This is so wrong. How do y'all do this? I'm just trying to figure out how come on this side of my head you can't see that, but on this side you can.
So I'm going to have to like pull it down more?
I just don't know what's going on. Okay, so apparently I'm gonna restart this because I totally did not know like how much work it went into for the wig cap process.
Gosh, why don't I need more forehead? I swear on everything I need more forehead.
and then they like spray it like that. But they be like, some people be drenching that stuff, and then some people be like, don't spray too much. Oh my gosh, I think I'm spraying too much. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna spray that Got to Be Free spray all on my hairline. Like, I don't even know. I don't even have a blow dryer right now, but a fan will do. So now I'm just gonna cut my little holes in the cap for my ears. Do this stuff will work. This stuff work. Ooh, that's a good boy. That's too good. That's some good stuff right there. So now I'm just gonna cut off that excess wig cap that I'm not gonna need and get rid of it. Okay, so I'm back. Basically, I just tried finessing the sides, and y'all, I really didn't do good. Okay, I messed up this side, and then, yeah, whatever happened to that. And this side seemed promising, but it wasn't that promising. Okay, so now I can get to the part that I was so desperate to do earlier when I wasn't supposed to, and just take some foundation and some bronzer and try to merge my skin tone in with that wig cap. I'm like, dang girl, how much foundation and makeup you gonna use? Y'all, I don't know. Gosh, I feel like I'm making this worse. Like, I deadass feel like I'm making this worse, dog. Like, I'm just making this worse, y'all. A failed mission. Now I look discolored. Okay. I cut my floppy flops. So now I'm gonna take some Ghost Bond XL glue, and I'm just gonna put that onto my scalp and rub it down a tiny bit and press down on my lace where I want it to lay. So I now see why I have locks. Like, big ups to all you beauticians out there and the women who be slaying their lace frontals, because this is not the life for me, okay? So I'm gonna take an eyebrow razor and I'm just gonna get as close as possible to that lace front as I can and cut off the excess lace that I don't want. Oh my gosh, y'all. that that's done, I'm going to go to my favorite part and start plucking this lace. So as you guys can see, I've been plucking off camera, sis. I've been plucking, and she is looking really good so far. I'm really happy, and it took forever, but whew, it's looking good. Here's a closer look, and as you guys can see, like, you can see the knots a little bit, but I have no idea how to put a wig on, and I'm not about to learn how to bleach knots right now. So
2 hours later.
So this is where I'm at so far with plucking my frontal process, and this takes forever, but we gonna keep plucking and plucking and plucking, sis, okay? This takes a good minute if you really want it to look natural. So I finally finished this side. Compared to this side. So this side obviously looks better because I think it just had a little bit of the ghost bond on it. So that's why this side probably looks a little better. But once I like really style it, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good, short. It's gonna look good. So again, I'm gonna go in with that eyebrow razor, and I'm just trying to get as close as possible to those hairs so it can look good. A little alcohol, and oh girl, it's looking good. So now that I got it to a point where I like it, I'm gonna take a little foam and a little got2b spike glue and start going in with these baby hairs. Okay, I admit, I really like that TikTok move. Scale of 1 to 10, this side for me is like an easy good 7. Okay, and that's good because I ain't gonna give myself a 10. So it's pretty much like 1 out of 9. This is like a good 7, considering I can't really like bleach like the installation, everything that I did. Yes.
1 eternity later.
So I'm finally finished, you guys. This literally took forever, okay? And I really like it though. I think I did an awesome job. Like, look at this side. You know, this the good side. This side is good, y'all. Like, how much did I pay for this? Like $80. So this is the side I kind of struggled with, and for me it's looking really good. Don't mind my little bump. This side is not as natural as this side, but it still look good, y'all. This is giving me like such auntie vibes. So this is the side view, you guys, and it's actually looking pretty natural. So I'm really happy about that. It doesn't look like I have a big old bulge or hair underneath, so that's good. So this is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. And I think I did a very good job for my very first time, and from Amazon for $71.19. Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.